Hi, it's Angeline here. Over at the Facebook group Unity Show and Tell, I've been seeing lots of girls sharing their washi stash and hauls, so I thought why not grab mine out and do something with it. So I've already stamped and colored this cute new Phyllis Harris stamp, and I've grabbed some washi tape here to create some simple background for my card. So what I want to do is just to lay it down horizontally. You can do any kinds of pattern, but I'm alternating between 3 patterns here and just doing a repeat pattern. It's really simple and easy and a great way to use up your washi tape. And what's great about washi tape is if you don't get the positioning right, you can always take it off and do it again. Then I'm grabbing my scissors and just cutting off all the excess, and ta-da! My washi tape background is ready. So all I need to do is just to adhere the beautiful stamp onto my card front and I'm done. A quick and easy washi tape background, I'm sure you can do it as well. Do show off your washi tape creations over at the Facebook group Unity Show and Tell. Thanks for watching, bye!